Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Nurul Habibah Ramadina and my student ID H0322012 and class of Biology Education A and batch 2022. Okay, this time I will explain introduction to bioentrepreneurship. The abstract is ever since the onset of civilization, humans have been continuously improvising and innovation of different aspects to make their livelihood more sustainable. This innovation reached a steep uptrend trajectory during the Industrial Revolution, and with the discovery of DNA and emergence of genetic engineering. Our civilization enters a new era of biotechnology where the desirable trait can be easily engineering into an organism to obtain a desired product. However, it was soon realized that in order to make the product reachable to the means integration of science, biology, technology, with business is of the utmost importance. This results in the genesis of concept of bioentrepreneurship. Personally, it is a rapidly emerging discipline connection to large domain, namely biotechnology and business. This chapter overview bioentrepreneurship it highlights the various recruitment and measures implemented to start a bioentrepreneurship program. Okay, next, introduction. Entrepreneurship are euphoric people with percentage even in the presence of any controversy. Effective utilization of resources, increase in per capita income, employment, conservation of resources, improved quality of life and infrastructure, promotion of technology and export, and are some of the key roles played by an entrepreneur. And next, they are the instigator of job will stroke hard work and innovation. And next, biotechnology being the first growing and knowledge-based sector in the world has enormous potential where direct or indirect use of living organism or part of organism in the natural or modified form can be utilized in an innovation manner for industrial production. It is the application of all science and engineering to achieve an being modifying course when required to undertake the never been done venture by take risk. As both entrepreneur and science are the acts of trial and error. Next, therefore, bioentrepreneurship includes an understanding of idea. In first, something bring about the sum of all activity to create an environment and infrastructure for well-trained professionals to build research-based projects and their commercialization. Bioentrepreneurship is manifest and the key drive of the bioeconomy. For a person to be a bioentrepreneur, five skills are prerequisites like positive energy and leadership quality, appropriate track record, technologic knowledge, and of the field agriculturing and managing skill. Next, the world economy and change is faced by transforming sectors related to health, agriculture, energy, and environment-wide bioentrepreneurship. Science education, particularly biology, focus education and the school life on it to be like to real world situation to have an applicability to social issue. In the next, technology, money, scientific, and managerial talent are the essential foundation of bioentrepreneurship. It is suggested that bioentrepreneurship program should clearly define its learning objective, some of which include protection of ideas, understand of intellectual property right, knowledge of the legal implication, consumer analysis, and validation of marketing assumption and in the define important market segment and recognition regulation and reimbursement environment in international marketing and understand FDI approval for their product or service. Knowledge about state of new product development, understand and management of R&D portfolio, innovation and business plan development writing to learn about the manufacturing of product, to develop and interpret capitalization table and interpretation of basic financial statement to demonstrate managerial skill, understand potential legal and ethical risks involved in clinical trials, ability to present innovation plans to stakeholders, recognize technology transfer in industrial, academic, and government laboratory setting, illustrate emotional and social intelligence skill. Okay, next, bioentrepreneurship must realize how technology can be made available for in the under development countries. To carry out this hand-on session need to be offered in bioentrepreneurship programs to the student to handle the practical problem arising by providing them a chance to interact with mentor and supervisor for the feedback which can enhance their skill. Okay, next, origin of bioentrepreneurship. Bioentrepreneurship is an emerging field of biology that involves the integration of biotechnology with entrepreneurship. It aims to foster the goals of biotechnology with the help of academia industrial collaboration. The present-day use of the term bioentrepreneurship refers to the use of any idea from biology that can be utilized to serve humanity and acquire profit by establishing of a business. It involves building an enterprise that can develop on and commercialize the product of biotechnology. And then literature suggests that the professional training of university students to pursue research and applying it to the best possible standard. See that the need the need of having scientific. Next, in the European context, the major investment in the bioenterprise sector occurred after 1980 in the United Kingdom or UK. A remarkable increase in the funding of basic research by boosting the grants released to the National Research Council led to development of British bioenterprise. This was further augmented with an increase in the capital investment that could encourage scientific discoveries, and the launch of biotechnology main business program in 1995 and other crucial changes in the regulatory body had a greater impact on innovation and entrepreneurship. Next, relationship between biotechnology and bioentrepreneurship. Bioentrepreneurship is a syngenesis of two large domains, namely biological science and entrepreneurship, with the former largely encompassing on the biotechnological process. Its main motive is utilization of biological entities or any innovative idea related to biology science to set up a business and gain profit through production and sale of product for the benefit of human beings. It is a holistic term which includes all activity required for building an enterprise for production of biotechnology related products. Biotechnology, on the other hand, is a diverse technology field which involves working with living cells or use of molecules derived from a cell in order to active for the human welfare through the use of various tools or technologies largely conceptually from the biological process. Next, gradually as an elaboration of biotechnology, it was also applied in the plant world, especially in agriculture domain, to obtain the third variety of crops. In early 1980, the first transgenic tissue and a plant were generated by means of Agrobacterium tumefaciens strain. Now, with the proliferation of research in biotechnology, a number of desirable results were obtained, which required to be distributed to the general population for their benefit, and this result in the recruitment from establishment of company which were the exclusive with biotechnology and its product. And next, various measures are being currently undertaken by governments of different countries to promote biotechnology with an effort to connect with entrepreneurship programs that be linking but the mind. The measure take to promote biotechnology program and its integration with entrepreneurship will be discussed in detail with an India perspective. Okay, next, pillars of bioentrepreneurship. In order to establish company under bioentrepreneurship program, some of the parameters should be considered as foundation stone. They can also be considered as pillar of above which the entire program would be spread. All the pillars need to act synergistically from for a period of over the last 10 years in order to make a company well functional. Function of all these pillars are very important, and any weakness in one the pillar during the first decade become the determining factor of future and of the bioentrepreneurial program and consequently affect to biotechnology company hosting the same. Next, management. The management form the first pillar which biotechnology company need to search, secure, and establish. Management is largely responsible for getting the work done in systematic way. Why and is the architect of transformation of scientific innovation into product for sales. Their activity for management can further be classified into five groups. On one, planning. Two, organizing. Three, stabilizing. Four, direction. And the next, controlling. Okay, and next, capital. Capital form the second pillar of bioentrepreneur program. In fact, all type of organization of company need capital for proper functioning. Capital is generally a mix of assets that a company can depend for financing its business, comprised of cash and other assets owned by the company. The monetary assets in the company are generally stored in the form of share, equity, and debt fund. From the time of inception, the company is required to focus on how much capital is having and how much it getting generated during its function years, and lack of capital of restricted access of capital might result in constant growth of the company. Next, technology. This forms the third pillar of bioentrepreneurship program on which the entire program will be implemented. Since it is intricately related to biotechnology, the basic aspects of the subject are taken into consideration for generation of the shared product. Next, contribution of bioentrepreneurship. The three pillars are required for setting up a biotechnology enterprise such as management, threshold, capital, and technology expert by innovation. Biotech industries that are built around the concept of bioentrepreneurship consist of sectors such as biopharma, agribiotech, bioinformatics, and bioservice. Each of these sectors has made significant contribution in the following arenas of our day-to-day life. Next, generation of revenues and tax. According to a report published by the Economic Contribution of the Biotechnological Industry, the size of the industries dealing with bioentrepreneurship have doubly during 1993 and 1999. Such industries could generate revenues of tax revenues in total in the European counterpart. Germany has one the fast growing bioenterprise globally accounting for 2025 German biotech company that generate total revenue of more than $3 billion. And the next, creation of employment opportunity. According to a report by the Economic Contribution of Biotechnology Industry, and biotechnology industry in the U.S. plays significant roles in economy by generation at least and were solely from biotechnology company and other white farm company depending upon the primary biotech industry. While in the European context, Germany alone has a capacity of generating and there are jobs that are directly related to the bioenterprise industry that are major supplier of raw material and other services are the major contribution of employment generation. Furthermore, the jobs created by bioenterprise industry are clean and high-paying as compared to the other sector of industry. Next, furthers the growth of other business and services that rely upon primary bioenterprise. Some of such business include setting up industries that supply consumable, raw material and other equipment. It also generates a larger pool of professionals in the corporate sector and other public sectors. And the next essential bioentrepreneurial skill. Bioentrepreneurship is a subset of the entrepreneurship and can be defined as the process or of creation of value from innovation in life science. It is a very sophisticated domain and includes two different disciplines, which one is biology, what is grossly knowledge and science of life, and the second one being entrepreneurship, which 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 is the process of conversion of thought into action to generate a valuable output. And it is the use of biological component or an idea which is having its genesis in the biological domain and turning into action in order to obtain profit through establishment of industry and setting up of business. Certain skills are required to develop a successful entrepreneurship program. Next, curiosity. Curiosity is the key factor which determines the success of bioentrepreneurship program. It is most important element that help to narrow down the key problem and find out the potential and the opportunity of solving the problem. It is a curiosity that is driving for innovation, which result finding a probable solution. And the next, time management. Time management is another important aspect of bioentrepreneurship. Since it need to be associated with biological entity. A construction approach of time management should be taken into consideration, weighing the time spent required for completion of biological process and any scope that instead the knowledge through biotechnological approaches and must be emphasized. All the time frame is standard, a milestone requires to be set watch psychologically and strategically boost the program toward maturity and enable the entrepreneur to deliver the outcome in proper time. Next, strategic thinking. Bioentrepreneurship is closely associated with research. Research is closely associated with thinking of the scientist, and it is the thinking process that leads to development of new ideas in order to jot down creative solution. And strategic thinking also implies to the immediate tactic, which is required to raise money from the bioentrepreneurship program in order to sustain the research and development process. Thus, it can be said the research, strategic thinking, and bioentrepreneurship program are closely woven to one another. Next, efficiency. Efficiency is required in order to solve a problem successfully and optimal time. As the name suggests, the entire system includes associated with biological system, and thus efficiency is not only required in the machinery domain for foundation production, but also very important in biological domain too. For example, uh, efficient microbial inoculant is required for development of a manner of biofertilizer through biotechnological approach. And without this criteria, it would become very difficult to ascertain the potential of the developed fertilizer and its consequent persolation in the market. In addition to it, efficiency in mechanical terms is very vital for enhancing the product of the product. The next, resilience. The resiliency can be put into the psychological domain and can be defined as the capability to recover from difficult and constraint, and it indicates the physiological elasticity of individual. A research is likely to have more success in bioentrepreneurship program as he shifts his focus toward new opportunity by shifting himself from a zone of confidence to zone of enhancement. He also optimized himself according to the mind and milieu of the result and thus is able to sequence out the best from any situation the, the rabbi, delivering a sustainable output. Okay, next, communication. Communication is of paramount importance in any bioentrepreneurship program as the program is syngenesis between biology, industry, and business, and thus communication stands out to be a major factor. Communication with a proper model of representation of the product to the client stand out as determining factor toward any successful business program, and the same time listening to grievance or any after sales issue also required to be solved. Next, working. Networking provides flow of information which enable effective distribution of knowledge and information. Labor and capital networking provided better opportunities, part- partnership deals, and finding potent employees, which can lead to betterment of industry and has steady inflow of capital through profit. And the next, finance. Finance refers to a monetary transaction of any exchange or measure relative to money. It is largely the skill of money handling and capital management. Success in entrepreneurship program dependent on managing and handling the finance properly and carefully assessing the investment and the risk inflow. And the next, branding. Branding is the paradigm through which a company generates its own identity by making unique registered symbol or design. And the next, sales from the ultimate skill in any entrepreneurship program serve from the key role in building loyalty between customer and the company. The loyalty ensures from the base viewpoint which a customer prefers or recommended one company. Next, bioentrepreneurship on a global level. Creation of new knowledge and innovation has been likened to increase in the sales of laboratory hardware and reagents required for bioenterprise research such as enzyme and antibody. Through academia industry collaboration, a report of Europa Bio has shown that about 16 of hardware in the laboratory such as ultimate nucleic acid sequencers are sold in the market of North America worth 40 and sold in the countries, and interestingly, the share of reagents sold in North America account for 50-50, whereas 30 in Europa and 10 in Japan, and the remaining 5 in the rest of the world. And the next, bioentrepreneurship in India and its challenge. Bioentrepreneurship is syngenesis of biology, industry, and market. When application of biology comes into the picture, it is the biotechnology that dominates the application arena. India is among the 12 destinations of biotechnology in the world and comprised of greater than 2070 biotechnology startup and greater than 2,500 biotechnology company throughout the country. The biotechnology industry in India amount to 63 billion US dollar in the years 2090 and is projected to reach 150 billion US dollar by 2025 with a compound annual growth rate of 60. In, in spite of a considerable boom in the biotechnology industry which promote the bioentrepreneurship program, it also faced some issues and challenges which pose hindrance toward a smooth growth. The focal point of the issue is the booming population of India, which primarily requires an affordable and trustworthy healthcare solution. This required to help to save the life of millions of poor people, which make the Indian population. Next, measure to promote bioentrepreneurship in India. The government has started the Startup Initiative in 16 January 2016 and consists of 90 action points which guide the innovation since its inception, and startups have been recognized by Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade till June 2019. In addition to it, the Government of India has established Fund of Startups or FFS with a core value of rupee 90,000 and core in order to meet various foundation requirements of startup company with Small Industry Development Bank of India as the operation agency. Finally, the conclusion, India must take dynamic steps to streamline and strengthen its biotech regulatory apparatus, support the commercialization of biotech products, and to build public knowledge about biotechnology by providing basic facility and while furnishing lab. There be help India to emerge as distinct voice on an international platform about biotechnology related affairs to facilitate necessary knowledge, training, and skill to bio entrepreneur and BRACH has partnered with CCAM to set up BRH Regional Entrepreneurship Center, transforming innovation, biotech idea into successful and sustainable venture, hence creating national and global impact. Center for Cellular and Molecular Platform, or CCAM, which is Department of Biotechnology, Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India support initiative organize National Bioentrepreneurship Competition, or NBIC every year to identify, nurture, and attract bioentrepreneurs having novel business idea with significant social impact. Development countries, despite of many effort and potential, face few challenges like political instability, lack of technical expert, there of interest by the government's policy, flaw, and poor research facility. And next, many universities are the ones have strong reputation in entrepreneurship. They either do not address is only the biotechnology, but is addressed in hasty way. There is vast scope in improvement as bioentrepreneurship education program have a lot of potential to address market need, contribute to economic spreading of a community, and helping to gain access in the industry worldwide. Okay, see you in the next time.